So Copilot by default has some settings. For example, over here on the bottom right, you can see that personalization is currently turned off. But if you were to go around and turn it on, then depending on whatever prompt you gave it in the past, it'll analyze it and will generate out further prompts which is specific towards you. You can also go around over here onto the hamburger icon right here and access out different settings, as you can see right here. You can also go around and see the Copilot settings around over here in specific, and you can get the response on the result page right here. So it says choose if you want to see Copilot response on the search results page right here. So once you go around and turn it on, you will see the Copilot response and results page. You can also go around and scroll to open up Copilot. So if I were to go around and then you can see that it doesn't actually scroll out right here. But if I were to go around and go for scroll to open up Copilot right here, just like this, then you can scroll to open up Bing right here and scroll up right here. So scroll down to go for Bing right here and scroll up to actually go around onto Copilot. So that is what you have right here. And these are the Copilot specific settings that you have that you can utilize. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.